Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Analysis of Bluetooth Printer. Bluetooth printer is one of the finest technology a person can have in his asset. Here is a full-fledged video on the explanation of Bluetooth printer. The technical advancements are nearly awe-inspiring. In every industry, technology is diffusing like a transparent liquid. Bluetooth is like an excellent way of transferring videos, photos or music. It is a wireless technology that we use to exchange data. We use it for short communication distances. Bluetooth is available for different devices like mobile phones, tablets, PC or any other electronic devices. The technology is based on radio waves which will have no obstruction or barrier in their paths. Bluetooth uses a specific amount frequency which describes its compatibility. Models of Bluetooth printer. There are various models of Bluetooth printer like the first one will be Canon version of the printer, which is a Canon Pixma, which is very advanced printer. It is an inkjet printer. This Bluetooth printer can vary smoothly on both Android as well as on iOS platforms. Its features vary in many ways, including autocorrection and others. The Bluetooth printer has a mobile app to allow permissions for printing papers easily. The next coolest Bluetooth printer can be of Epson origin. Their printer have a beautiful design along with their features of the Bluetooth facility. The Bluetooth can perform scanning and printing of data according to the user's wish. The Bluetooth range is also more than any other printer. Third one is Brother company can be a very local and reliable company or anyone who is a beginner and buying Bluetooth printer for the first time. It is an excellent printer for home or office, or you can use it for your business. The desired output is excellent than other Bluetooth printers. Next is how Bluetooth work before going into Bluetooth printer. Bluetooth is a very sophisticated technology at that time for others, but as when the time starts to crawl, things become more apparent. The main and most challenging process in Bluetooth was to connect devices without using wires. The primary fundamental was to remove people from the culture of connecting wires into devices to do work. So the Bluetooth uses a unique principle of device inquiry and also scan the device. As all devices have a unique frequency, after studying the method, Bluetooth will list all the known rates of the scanned devices. Therefore, the process of connection starts. How to use Bluetooth thermal printer? First of all, we know that any device has to get charged before it starts working. The next part is to turn on Bluetooth printer, then turn on your Bluetooth option on the phone. Now comes the central part of printing any data through the phone. After deciding the desired file to print, click on Share button to share on that data with the Bluetooth printer. There can be another factor which everybody leave behind. We need to take care of everything including all types of devices. Next is bridge connection between a Bluetooth printer and an Android device. Firstly, as said, we have to enable the option of Bluetooth to have an initial connection with any devices. So we will go to contact section of the phone and tablet and turn on the Bluetooth option and search from the device name to have the proper connection. If the connection is for the first time, then the phone will ask for the printer password to allow some permissions to have the grant access. After pairing the device, your phone and printer are ready to have some action. Last but not the least, conclusion. Technology has changed from connecting so much wires to become wireless in using every technology. A printer can be of so much tension to print by sitting in front of the computer, but the discovery of the Bluetooth printer makes things so much easier that we can never imagine. A Bluetooth printer has solved our problem of printing so many papers. Instead, we can now do anything by sitting at any place. Though Bluetooth has range limitations, definitely in the future, we can be able to see the more advanced version of Bluetooth where the range problem will not be there. But all we know that many things are coming up for future generations. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.